because you're in the bed. Huh? Huh?
Eating the husband. Hello friends, it is August 7, bisperas ng 8-8. It's an 8-8 salubong day. I'm just getting ready to go on live on TikTok. Usually kapag kasi, double campaigns, meaning 88, 77, 99, ganyan. Nagla-live kami on TikTok, particularly me. Today, we're going to be going live on Lana, Mink, and sa account ko on TikTok. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung setup. Ang gulo-gulo, trigger warning, na ang gulo ng desk ko. But this is how I usually set up my stuff when I'm going on live. Ayan, so this is my desk. Yes, magulo. Dito natin nilalagay ang mga products. And si Bagnet, usually yung mga nanonood ng live ko, naririnig din nila yung hilik ni Bagnet. And then, I'm going live on 3 platforms. So, 3 gadgets siya. Here, I have my iPad. This is going to be Lana's camera. This one is my camera sa TikTok account ko. And ito naman over here will be Mink's camera. There. Tapos dito nakalagay yung mga products. Then over here is my screen, my laptop. Just so kapag may questions ako with my team or may gusto silang sabihin sa akin during the live, I can communicate with them. Oh, I forgot to mention, meron pa pala akong isang Zoom training. I will be facilitating the training before the live. Training is 7 to 8 and then I have a window of 8 to 9 para mag-reset at magpahinga, decompress. And then the live will be from 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. So wish me luck, friends. Meanwhile, I ordered myself jamba juice. I love jamba juice so much. This is peanut butter mood. This is what I usually order. And this is my sustenance for the hours ahead. Although magdi-dinner kami, hopefully ni Josh mga 8 to 9 later. So, ayun lang. Let's go back to work.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Try.
Nangyari yun kasi
Okay, since sobrang bilis kong ma-distract, yung sobrang papaya, nalagay ko na dito. Let's have snacks. This is papaya, granola, and Greek yogurt.
Rushing in. I'm grateful for that. Immediately before they're lost forever.
I just got home from a shoot for the shirt line ni Josh. Shinwa yung name. Katapos ko lang mag-air bike. We are on our way to the Barbie's Cradle event dito sa Lando. So, hello friends, it is a Sunday. I am breaking out. Breakouts ngayon. But it's a good day because we are on our way to Batangas, Batangas, with the family. This time with the Lanas naman. And I'm excited. We'll just be there overnight. But I know it's going to be so much fun as always kapag kasama ko ang family. Ayun lang. I'll take you along with us. Hi. Galing sa baba. Thank you pa. Sarap ng siniga ay sinangag. Egg.
Tagal yan sa pantry niya.
Wow. Eh, binili ko yung kanina. Marina. Only eyes on me. Hello friends, full day ahead. I am on my way to the HQ. I have a meeting with the manufacturer, and then next is celebration with birthday celebrants for this month, and then we also have surprise baby shower for Mary, my assistant. Then after that, I have Lando's bar bonding with the Let's Glow ladies. Yun, full day ahead. Let's do this. Hello friends, meron akong mga nabubulok ng banana. Again, so I'm trying to salvage it, but I'm lazy to cook. I am looking up for easy microwave banana cakes, but I have certain ingredients na wala, like vanilla extract, etc. And someone who doesn't really know much about cooking will try this. Naisip ko, meron pa akong protein pancake mix from Cake Baby. Tapos lalagyan ko ng banana. Tignan natin kung gagana siya. So, yeah. I'm getting 2 nabubulok ng bananas. I'll mash it. There. I also wanna try this gift from Miss O. Ayan. Waffle maker talaga to. May iba-iba lang silang ganito. So, for this one, you will get donuts. Basta, si ate. Ang pangit. Ano nangyari? This is not how to make a banana pancake. Very much. Tingnan mo, ang pangit. What's happening? Okay lang. Ako lang naman ang kakain nito. So, okay lang. Again, wag niyo pong tularan tong recipe na to. Friends, we are still eating it kasi sayang. The beauty and the imperfection. Pero kinakabahan ako ng lasa. Mushy siya. Pero, lasa mo yung banana. May chocolate. Pero, di lang talaga siya aesthetically pleasing. But I think I like to put Greek yogurt and granola. Para may crunch. Put yogurt in here. Ang pangit talaga niya. Hindi talaga siya pretty looking. And granola. O, diba? Parang maganda na tong itsurang to. Meron akong isang batch, di ko lang na-film. Nilagyan ko pa ng mas maraming protein powder. Yun, mas mukha siyang pancake. But for this one, this would have to do. This will have to do. Yeah. Dahil doon sa crunch ng granola, medyo na, wala yung medyo icky feeling lang. Yes, icky talaga. Yung pagka-mushy. So, I think, still a success kasi nagamit natin yung banana natin. Meron na lang akong 3 kailangang siping banana. Yan lang. Okay. Fit check for an event today. We are going to the Google HQ for the Gemini event. We are just doing a simple business casual attire and I will take you along with me. Bye! Wala pa akong makeup kasi alam nyo na yan, sa kotse ako nag-makeup. We are now in the car. Of course, we are putting on makeup here because that's what we do. Tsaka mas gusto kong matulog versus mag-makeup sa bahay. So, for concealer, I just used Second Base by Colourette. And favorite ko to so far na concealer kasi it doesn't give me allergies. So, that's a huge thing. I really like the coverage of this concealer. Also keeps everything very light. Okay, friends, let us debrief. I just got home from 2 ganaps today. First ganap is the Gemini event. It was such a fun event. So, Gemini is an AI product of Google and tinuro lang doon kung paano gumawa ng mga prompts so you get your desired results for Gemini. It was such a fun event. I personally have been using different AIs for a while now, but I am seeing myself sticking with Gemini more kasi parang mas intuitive siya, mas matalino siya compared to other AIs. This is not sponsored, by the way. Tapos ang cool kasi yung lunch namin, yung buffet namin, yung menu nun was created by Gemini. So, meron lang mga prompts. Sobrang interactive nung event kasi after the training, merong pa workshop. We were grouped into 7 groups if I'm not mistaken. Tapos, ang task is to upload a YouTube short including script, including shot list, think of the name of your group, etc. But the time limit is 20 minutes only, including editing, building your logo, your scripts, etc. It was such a fun and exciting activity. So, naituwid naman namin in short. ayun lang, nag-enjoy lang talaga kami ng bongga doon. I also met new friends over here. Tapos yung mga kasama ko from the Women Empowerment Vlog. Hi Isa and hi Coach Ann. After ng event, nagchika pa kami ng konti pa ni Madam Alex. And then I visited her second branch of Kind Lounge. And I had my jaw talks and ailer talks done. Jaw talks ko, second time na to. And then yung ailer talks ko, first yan. First time ko lang mag-ailer talks. Thank you again so much for being with me. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you can continuously support this channel. And I will see you on the next one.